Today I'm taking the Riland stick welder. So this does come with an adapter, so we can plug our welder into here, and then we can plug that into a 240 volt outlet. It is important that you want to keep this with the welder because you don't want to have this plugged in and have somebody come and plug into that. So nice tool, you just got to be careful with it. Here's our stinger. It has a pretty good spring on it, and we can see in there it does have a star pattern, so you can hold that rod at different angles. That is a standard twist style lock. And we have a pretty nice working clamp on here. One thing I always like to see is it's got this copper braiding right here, so that way if it's making a better connection on this side than it is on this side, it's not going to have to worry about the pin to carry the current to that wire. And that's also a twist style lock. So we got a fold up mask. Always a handy thing to have if you don't have a welding mask. Comes with a wire brush and a chipping hammer. And it actually comes with some rods, and these are E6013. Does come with a manual, and here is the welder. So we are properly labeled positive and negative. We've got our display here. We have a dial for setting our amps. As an indicator, let us know 110 or 220, and it does appear to have a push button. On the back, we got our on-off switch. It does have active cooling, and I can appreciate it as a fairly small size. It'll be nice and easy to carry out to your work site.
Okay, so I'm going to start out with 60 amps. So it started up real easy, and it just ran. So that thing started up super easy, and even with it being cold, like just looking at that puddle, that looks like it was standing up a little bit too much. So I'm going to turn that up a little bit, but with that being cold, that started up and ran very nicely. I'm going to go to 80 amps. We definitely got some in there now. There we go, 80 amps, and that can definitely weld 1/8 inch thick steel. And that's got plenty of room to go on it. So yeah, that is a pretty cool welder.